Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corley and I just already want to apologize for this intro. Sorry. I'm currently doing this on my computer, therefore the quality is not going to be bomb. The reason why I'm filming the intro like this, first of all, is because I totally forgot to film an intro or an outro because I was rushing doing that makeup tutorial, but also because I'm not trying to have y'all see my bad skin in HD, you know. So I decided to just do it on my computer. It's better for me. So I'm sorry for the quality. It's really trash. But y'all love me. I love y'all and I know y'all deserve better, so I will be delivering better. You feel me? So today I'm serving you a green slash, not a green slash, a green and blue eye makeup look. I've gotten really amazing feedback on that look, not even gonna lie. So I was really excited. Like I posted it on Twitter and Instagram and people were like loving the look. So I think that y'all like it. It's something different from anything that I've done before. So I felt like, you know, people were liking it. So that made me extremely happy and extremely glad. And yeah, so I'm serving you this type of look so y'all can learn how to be twins. What does that even mean? Anyways, guys, without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, let's stop rambling. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are starting with a primed eye, and we're gonna take the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette in this kind of light neon blue, and we're gonna pack it all over the crease, extending it a little bit with the wing look, because we're gonna do a full cut crease, but like you'll see, I'm not really sure how to explain it, but y'all know it's really fun. And it's really bright. This palette is bomb, by the way. It's currently for $13.50 on the BH Cosmetics site, so get it, girl. Okay? Now going in with those two greens, I'm going to mix them and go right on the edges of my eyeshadow and start already blending the blues and the greens together so we get that really nice fade up to the brow. Now we're going to take the medium blue shade and just pack it a little deeper into the crease. We're going to build the depth of the blue while still blending with the green, you know, so we can have a seamless blend because that's what we like. For our final dark shade, we're going to use this blue. It has shimmer in it, but it doesn't really show up on the eye that much. Like the shimmer kind of just goes away. So do not be scared, my friends. You will be fine using this shade in your crease. So again, we're just going to go and define it. We're starting to actually see the gradient. And the next steps I'm going to do is just really going back with almost all the colors to make sure that the colors are bright yet blended and faded. Now we're gonna fully cut our crease, so we're gonna go in with some concealer, flat brush, liner brush, you know guys, you know what I do to cut my crease. We're just gonna cover all of the lower region, right? So you can see the blend is so smooth, you guys, we did it! The crease is cut, so now we're going to take from the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette the Cucumber and Blueberry Fizz shade. Actually, we're only going to end up using Cucumber. Well, we're going to end up using both, but only Cucumber is going to stay in the look because I feel like Blueberry Fizz was a little more too purplish. It's a really nice shade, but we're just not going to use it for this look. So I'm going to take the darkest shades from the blue BH Cosmetic shadows, and I'm going to start creating the shape where I want there to be a little bit of a negative space between the top of the cut crease and the kind of wing part. You guys can most definitely see that over Blueberry Fizz, I'm going to pack a lot of shades, which are basically all the matte blues I used in my crease. Really, this shade is stunning. It's just not for this look. I wanted it to be very blue and very green and no purple whatsoever. So cucumber was literally perfect for the inner corner, but the rest, I'm just, you know. So for foundation, I'm going to take my Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation, and for concealer, the Too Faced Concealer, the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And the Smashbox one is basically my face shade, and the Too Faced Concealer is going to look really light, which means that I need to buy a darker one to mix in, because the darker one for my shade right now is way too dark, like normally, so I'm gonna have to spend money anyways. Watch me blend, y'all. The powder I'm pressing into my under eyes is the Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. So, you know, just packing it all over my oily areas, just the areas that put the concealer. So for bronzer, I'm going to take the ABH powder bronzer in the shade Rich Amber. This is my favorite bronzer of all time. I love her. She's good to me. She's not too warm, not too cool. You know, she's bomb. To blush, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Nude 10 color blush palette, I believe it's called. And this palette is honestly so great for anyone who doesn't like blush, or even someone who likes blush. I'm going really heavy with it, and also going a little bit on my nose to blush my nose. I don't know, it just gives a nice look. A little bit all over the face as well. Give yourself some color, you feel me? For my inner corners, I'm taking the Stila Magnificent Metals in the shade Diamond Dust. And for highlighter, I'll be taking the Fenty Beauty Highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby, all over the high points of mi carita. For lips, I'll be taking the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Wherever Walnut, as well as the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Sandstorm. Okay guys, this is it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment in the comment section down below other video suggestions or things you'd like to see me do, because quite frankly, getting ideas is not always easy, and sometimes people that watch you can figure out ideas quicker than you can. So if you guys have anything you want for spooky season, Halloween, you can holla at me for that. Okay, I'm really actually gonna try to make like Halloween like videos, Halloween themed videos, Halloween tutorials, like anything that's just like Halloween makeup looks. Might not come in video format, not gonna lie, unless it's like a Halloween tutorial. But watch out on my Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow me on all my social media, such as Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All the links will be in the description box down below. If you guys like me, my personality, or the content I put right up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel. We'd love to have you here because we love makeup, and if you love makeup too, then please join. Also, for everyone saying that the beauty community is in shambles, not over here, sis, not over here. Well, you could say it's in shambles because school is getting me in shambles. Anyways, regardless, please do not think the beauty community is ending because some few like big influencers have been talking crap. We are still here. We the small influencers, we know you. We're there, and we still love makeup, and we're here for our love of makeup. Okay, let me stop ranting. I'm so sorry. Stay here for the bloopers. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I will see you in my next one. Ooh, we love her. I am so done. I have not been honest with you. birthday surprise